moving on this engine. I know y'all commenting on the last video of it taking so many pulls to start. Well, the thing was with this engine, it has set for the last year probably, so it hasn't been started, and we got cold weather, which does not add to that. But it does need some carburetor work. Gas needs to be drained, the carburetor cleaned. There's a plastic flap on this that's wore off that holds the choke. It closes the choke with this lever right here. I don't know if, hopefully y'all can see that. This lever right here. So you gotta be careful, because if you go too, well, it's working now. Okay, I don't know what happened. Oh, there we go. So you gotta be careful when doing that. Anyway, I did start it more, and it is running a little bit better. Starter clutch needs cleaned. It's a little dirty, or a little rusty, so it needs oiled up. Let's see. Well, it ain't gonna start up now, I guess. Anyway, it just started up earlier. In fact, I posted a video on Instagram. But that needs to be done. But this whole engine, like I said, this whole engine is getting rebuilt. You know, head gaskets, new rings. The valves are gonna be took apart, cleaned. They're probably sticking a little bit because it's set. And when the engine's set, the valves tend to stick. And you can put oil or something down there and sometimes get them freed up more. But the right way to guarantee that they don't ever stick again is to take them out and actually clean them the right way. So probably do that. Boneyard's Garage is sending points for this, so I don't have to buy points. So thanks to Boneyard's Garage for that. Put his link down in the description in this video, so please go check them out. I don't got the breather on here yet because I was pouring a little bit of gas down in the mouth just to get it started. Once it's started, it'll stay running. These two spark plugs for it. Anyway, it's getting a full tear down. These old engines probably from late 60s to late 70s era, and these will probably be found. This ain't not a push mower engine. This would have been found more on like a tiller, front tine tiller, or a small ride mower like a Huffy ride mower, which used the 5 horsepower engine and 8 horsepower engine. It ain't like today's where we have ratings from like 14 to 17 to on up. Back then the small riders had 5 and 8 horsepower engines on them, the small ones. So I think this one was a tiller. If you look the setup on down here, this one probably came off the tiller. But I think that's about it. Yeah, it's reason it's hard to start. It's just it's set, and when the engine's set, it just needs a little bit more TLC. But I said it just fixing one problem at a time. It's going to be a full restoration on this. So I'll get around to tearing that all down here shortly. Actually, I need to look up the part numbers because I might have most of the parts for it up in the barn. I need rings, gasket sets, I don't know what else. I need to... You never really know until you tear down apart an engine to know what you really need. Hopefully everything's a spec and it don't have to be like bored out or anything, because that would make the restoration a lot higher than what needs to be. But that's a little bit more on this engine. I got in fact, let me stop this for a second and I'll show y'all the manual I got with this. Let me show y'all the manual that Larry gave me with it. Right here is the manual, well, the operating manual. So I'll probably end up framing this and storing it next to the engine when I take it to show. I got a few more engines I'm going to restore and take up there. Maybe I'll do that video next. Heck, maybe I'll do it right after this video. Go on up to the barn and we'll check out some other mowers. But anyway, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. See y'all later.